Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go and show you how to disconnect your PlayStation 5 temporarily from the internet. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's easy to disconnect your PlayStation 5 from the internet. So let's go up to settings and then go on down to network. Now let's go down to settings and go to the right and go to where it says connect to the internet and uncheck mark this. And you will be disconnected from the internet. Now, when I press the PlayStation button and go to Game Base, I have to reconnect to the PlayStation 5 network because I am offline. So I can simply reconnect right here, and then I can go to set up internet connection. Now, if you are trying to disable your Wi-Fi, make sure you go to set up new internet connection down here, or set up wired LAN, and you can connect to your LAN cable instead of your Wi-Fi. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.